Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper and I'm back with another app review. Listen, before we get started, do all the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, and let's get started. You already wanted to mess around with the Apple Vision Pro but don't have the Apple Vision Cache? No worries. We have an app now that simulates the same thing that the Apple Vision Pro do to a degree. So the name of this app is called the Spiral app, right? And you can have, I don't know how many windows you want to up. I had about 12 windows up before it kind of started getting a little shaky. I was also recording at the same time, so who knows. But for me, I had about 11, 12 apps up and it works great. You can have YouTube up, you can have Disney Channel up, you can have your Discord up, you can have your Instagram up, you can have all these windows up. And if you're a person that likes to have a lot of windows up, like the whole Tony Stark thing, this app is for you. Whatever you want to see at one time, you can see with this app. You can arrange them, you can make them small, big, and the cool thing they have is widgets. So they have widgets, they have like a clock widget, they have a stopwatch, they have a timer, they got some other widgets that coming soon. It's fire. They got a lot of things up there. The only bad part, the only gripe that I have so far, I have two, but the first one is that you cannot bring your PC into it. Now they do have two apps that technically supposed to be able to bring your PC into it, but those apps don't work right. They kind of trash. If they can work out some kind of way to have like remote display come up in there, or work out some kind of deal with virtual desktop to have their app inside the app, oh, you got something on your hands now if you can get that to work. So that's great. And the second one, it's a minor little thing that, you know, it's a little minor app thing that I have, is when you first start the app, it puts you in this black void. And I'm kind of getting out of seeing that now. You know, a lot of apps come up and they just have the name and you're still in your environment. So that's just a little tidbit. But besides that, everything else is good. And listen, for you guys that stuck around this long, I got a little hack for you for how to bring your PC into the app. So while you got all your windows up, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows up, and you got your YouTube and all that playing, just hit the Meta Quest button on your the menu button and bring up remote display. Then there you go. You got your personal computer that's an overlay over the app, and you can still see the whole app all over. You can still see all your windows. Now you just got your personal computer in front of you. So that's a little hack, that's a little workaround that I use when I'm working inside of the app. And like I said, this is a quick little video. You know, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing and being a part of this channel. I really appreciate it. And like I said, I'll catch you on another one. Peace.